Now that we have introduced the idea of protecting oneself against suspicious emails, let's get into some specifics. Phishing is the attempt to get people to give up personal information via email, a website, or even a text message. Here is one attempt at phishing: a call for money to get money. This person claims to have won the lottery and is willing to share the winnings so long as we can send this person a small amount to help pay for travel expenses. An email such as this often sounds convincing, as if someone needs money to travel to a foreign land to collect winnings. Either way, ask yourself, why would a total stranger contact me in an attempt to get help claiming winnings? If something on the surface seems to make no sense, it doesn't. Avoid falling victim to such a scam. Here's another phishing attempt: a perceived account problem. Many of these emails claim to be from banks telling people, hey, there's a problem with your account. Click here to sign in and fix it. There are two potential traps victims fall into here. First, they may think, wait a second, I don't have an account at this place. Then they select the link and put their data at risk. Or they do have an account with the institution, select the link, and sign in, or so they think. What happens then is that their sign-in credentials are stolen and used to access their real accounts. Yikes. Falling victim to a phishing attempt means your personal information can be used to buy things, pay for things you did not sign up for, and expose your information to unwanted onlookers to use against you.